I'm Mylene.
I'm Simon.
I'm Shania. I'm Stephanie. I'm Jara. I'm Princess Leia.
Basic plank. In this plank, we rest our forearms on the ground with elbows under the shoulders, legs straight and body in a straight line. It helps us straighten our cores, shoulders, and back. High plank. This is like a push-up position. Hands are flat on the floor, arms straight, legs extended, and the body straight. It strengthens the arm, shoulders, wrist, and core. Right side plank. For this, we rely on the right side with the right forearm on the ground, elbow under the shoulder, and feet stuck. We lift the hips to form a straight line. This targets the side muscles or obliques. Side plank, left side. This is the same as the right side, but we rest on the left forearm. It balances the workout by strengthening the obliques on the other side.
The plank challenge showed that core strength includes endurance, control, and mental fitness. Using the correct form like leveling hips and engaged shoulders, target deep stabilizing muscles. Gradually, increasing hold times builds stamina. Being patient and paying attention to your body, including resting when needed, and only about appearance and involved posture, protects your spine and demonstrate that simple exercises provide real fitness and benefit.